So now let's take a look at our survey again. And with the knowledge that we now have on absolute and relative addressing, can we improve this? So at the moment we are hard coding this bottom number 316 in, and the numerator is a relative address to the cell next to it. So right here the cell next door is B2. Here the cell next door is B7, and so on. So it's relative to the location of the cell. However, what if the survey was still continuing? So me personally, I'm supposed to add to it. Well, if I come here and my favorite animal is a monkey, and I want to add to it to turn this into 27, notice the numbers are now wrong. The total is 317, and these are still all being out of 316. Okay. That's a problem. These numbers are incorrect. It's not a life or death problem in this particular situation, but we'd like to be able to deal with it. So instead of hard coding the denominator in place, let's use what we found out with the with the addressing to fix it. So the problem is I can't just choose this cell like that. Might seem like a great idea, but then if I drag down, it's going to be dividing by 0 because it's actually using the cell is moving relative to the location of the current cell. I want to use the absolute address of this cell right here, not the relative address in the denominator. So I want to put a $sign in so that this doesn't move when I drag it. So to be safe, I can just put $2 signs in, one there and one there. And now when I drag this down, it's all every one of these cells, the numerator is a relative address, relative meaning next door, and the denominator is an absolute address, meaning it's always this cell right here and it never changes. Oops, escape. Okay, and then if this number were to change, see, instead of 317, maybe we added 10 people here. So instead of 84, we had 94 people wanted dogs. All of our numbers are going to change, not just the one right here.